Kia ora whānau. Happy Flint and Steel Saturday here in Ruawata, New Zealand. It's about midday. You can just see the sun poking through there. Beautiful day here. Except for our house. Oh, our house is getting us. About 3% of sun. But yeah, we're getting there, friends. Getting closer to the sun getting high enough, and yeah, it'll be over these trees and we'll be basking in sun, glorious sun, come spring and summer. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying summer in the northern hemisphere, and yeah, just subs in the southern hemisphere. Hope winter's going okay and warming up. So what we've got here is from Beaver Bushcraft. This is one of the first things I bought off Beaver Bushcraft. Was a little it needs a bit of love. It's got a little bit of surface rust. I got a bit of 4-0 steel wool onto it, and yeah, gave it a bit of because I haven't used this for a long time. And that's the original Amadou from the horse hoof. You notice that's a lot more orange. It came with some jute netting, and I've just wrapped up some of my flint. Oh, is that going to snap there? It's going to be a shard on a shard. So yeah, I've just put some bits of my flint in there, and that's a bit of my polypore. So that'll be artist conch that I've made my Amadou out. So it's a lot darker than the horseshoe fungus, and that's just a bit of little shards of English flint that I'll and my polypore. I'll give it a demo and bird's nest, and yeah, that's how wet it's been. But we've finally got 2 days in a row of no rain and decent weather, so we can get out and play with fire friends. But yeah, just look at the difference in the colour there. It's almost sort of a greyish colour. It's almost a sort of a almost similar to the Amadou there, you know, sort of a tanny colour, and that's almost like a black. So let's get a demo and a burn. And oh. And I find these little strikers very difficult to use. Oh, I thought I had it on one then. Get that fluffy side round. Put that fluffy side round. That's not a good bit. That bit's a bit better. better. Okay, like that. There we go. Hit it, friends. Not easy. Yeah, I didn't have that fluffed up as good as I could have, which certainly makes a difference. In the transfer. Yeah, so certainly not easy. I think I've got to wrist it more because I'm trying to. Always learning. So great for an emergency, but yeah, certainly, definitely a backup. You wouldn't want to solely rely on that because well, you could solely rely on it, but you're going to have to be very patient, which I'm not. And you're going to have to be quite accurate. So there we got. Just doing an ember transfer with some other pieces in there. That looks pretty good now. So now we can blow that to flame. Drop down a bit. Looking better now. Here we go, friends. Happy Flint and Steel Saturday, whānau. Yeah, if you can master these small strikers and pieces of flint, big stuff is so easy. Same as ferro rods. Do our little human bellows, make a little diamond. And that just compresses the air as you blow through it. I think that's a Dave Canterbury trick. And I've seen a few others do it. Paul Kirkley from the UK. And the famous Kiwi bushman from New Zealand, Josh James. Let's get rid of that Fano. Be here all day. Sorry, it's a long one. So, star of our show. Oh, that's not a very good picture, is it? Screen duty. Oh, well. So, English Flint, Beaver Bushcraft, man, that's terrible focus. Don't know what's happened to my camera. Yeah, little dragon striker. I'm saving that. English Amadou from the horseshoe fungus. My polypore, which I used, which is nitrated, of course, to guarantee me a consistent burn and ignition. Otherwise, yeah, when you need it, it can be tricky, the raw process, and if you don't get your lye solution just right. So, a little emergency backup kit. Beaver Bushcraft striker, tin with Amadou, jute netting for your nest. Yeah, have fun, Flint and Steel friends. From Jason here in Ruawata, New Zealand. Ka kite anō.